All ingredients are listed on the screen. To the pot, I added little oil and onions, then allowed to fry for a few minutes before adding the washed basmati rice and toasted for a few minutes. Here, the rice is well toasted, so I added the coconut milk and pineapple juice. I added small water because the available juice will not be enough to cook the rice, but it is best to use only the coconut milk and pineapple juice. I added salt, stirred, covered and allowed to cook, but I transferred it to another cooker so as to make the sauce here. To the wok, I added oil and shrimp seasoned with garlic and salt. As the shrimps were frying, I checked on the rice and it was perfectly cooked and also tasted good. Please like my video and subscribe. At this point, I added some chopped onions and continued to fry. Here is the main, which must not be omitted. I added the chopped pineapple and continued to fry. Here I added some seasoning cubes, chopped pepper and little curry. I continued to fry until the pineapples became very tender. Then I added the chopped bell pepper mix and fried a bit because I want it crunchy. Please support me by subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Please don't forget to turn on your notification button so as to be notified once I upload a new video. I also added oyster sauce, but you can skip if you don't have. It is optional. When the veggies were properly fried, I added the cooked rice, stirred and stirred and stirred. I finished up with some spring onions and stirred, and now our delicious coconut pineapple rice was ready. Isn't that looking yummy? Would you be trying this? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and always stay tuned.